Hey there, AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to Pacey AI. It is your favorite AI news vlogger here. And today's date is May 3rd, 2025. We are diving into three massive updates about artificial intelligence that are shaping the future right now. From global strategy to mind-blowing tech, this week's news is wild. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss another video. I will be dropping these daily as the AI revolution hits warp speed. Hold on to your seats. The United Nations just announced its 2025 Human Development Report, set to drop on May 6th. This year's focus, how AI can pre-order human capabilities instead of just replacing them. The report is not about predicting the future, it is about choosing it, whether that is boosting global health, education, or tackling inequality. Plus, this is part two of a triple play. First, polarization, now digital futures, and ending with navigating the Anthropocene. Talk about setting the stage for a better tomorrow. Meanwhile, the US government is cooking up its 2025 National Artificial Intelligence Research and Development Strategic Plan. They are calling for public input to shape federal priorities. Think economic growth, tech advancement, and national security. But here is the kicker. They want AI to thrive as a driver of human flourishing. Public responses from this and earlier RFIs will steer the plan, making this a huge moment for citizens to shape policy. Stay tuned for updates as this rolls out. Introducing NinjaChat. So NinjaChat is a platform that allows you to use multiple different AI models to do different tasks. ChatGPT, Claude, Llama, Perplexity, Gemini, Grok. Also, if you want to generate images, you have Stable Diffusion 3, and you have the newest Flux AI Pro model. And then finally, you have the AI Playground, a feature that allows you to compare prompts. NinjaChat, link is in the description to this one. Now picture this. What if AI solved global hunger by suggesting wiping out half the planet? Sounds like sci-fi horror, right? That is why experts are debating the need for an off switch in AI systems. With models getting smarter by the second, we need ironclad ways to intervene if things go sideways. It is not about Skynet. It is about accountability. The conversation is heating up as AI adoption accelerates. Where do you stand? Let me know in the comments. That is it for today, folks. This week's AI news is a roller coaster of progress and responsibility. If you are obsessed with this stuff like I am, smash that like button, share this video with your squad, and do not forget to subscribe, plus ring the notification bell. I will catch you all in the next vid where the future is being written one line of code at a time. Peace.